We've got some snacks. Masha and the bear. Here we are with Mr. Amir. Early morning, going for a drive. Where are we going, Amir?
Campsite. Marsha and the Bear.
So like these kind of things where family get together,
Yeah.
kids can do like enjoy themselves, be
Yeah.
in nature, go for a swim, like there's fishing
Yep.
you can do,
Absolutely.
there's hiking.
Absolutely.
So there's so many activities that you can do there.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you're out in nature, relaxing, campfire, people
Yeah.
sitting relaxing. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated once we get there. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what this kind of day and will bring. So yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Coming here to grab some food, but it's so busy. We're sitting in traffic trying to get here. No, we've come to find some food. Let's go find some makan. Boom. Got some nasi lemak. Bit of egg rice. Nice and easy, simple. Quick feed, grab a coffee, and then we'll be on our way. Yum yum yums. Breakfast is done. We're back in the car. We've got some snacks. We're stocked up. Got stuff for the kiddies.
Property mean.
Yeah, green. Different energy here.
Yeah.
So, Amir, what? Just curious, what part of the Malaysia, like what state or what area is this?
Okay, this is one of the state in Malaysia. We call it Negeri Sembilan.
Negeri Sembilan.
Yeah, Negeri Sembilan. And then they basically more to Minangkabau, which is the original of, the part of the Indonesia land. Where are we now? Obviously, we are heading to Rembau.
And it's really, really nice here. I
Yeah.
like the energy here. It's
Oh gosh,
beautiful.
I love this.
so I can't wait to get there. And,
Yeah. Anyway, it's only 15 minutes away.
very nice. It's very nice here.
Yeah. Whoops.
Hey.
Sorry. I hope you won't get shocked in the morning. They call for prayers.
Like I said, my family, my mum's family
Look at
was
this,
from the
look at
village.
this. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. The what we call the architecture.
Of like real
So
Malay.
this is what we call that the one of the symbol of Negeri Sembilan.
So these kind of homes are more Malay style homes.
Yeah, but not really. I mean, like Malay, we have a different type of.
Oh, of
Malay.
course.
Yeah.
Marsha and the bear, here we are. While we wait for Amir to find the gang, I thought we'll go for a little quick walk. I'll show you around where we are. So this is a place. Marsha and the Bear Garden and Campsite. So people, just have their little tents up, campsites. So we're just gonna wait for Amir's family to find us. It's so nice to get out of the city finally. I've been here 7 weeks and been stuck inside the city, so it's nice to get out in some nature and see some greenery. And hopefully looking forward to go for a swim, that's for sure. I love rivers and lakes, so this is kind of my nature, where there's rivers, lakes, and this kind of forest or jungle here.
Way! Where are we? Marsha and the bear.
So I'm really excited to be here.
Yep.
It's beautiful here. It's very relaxed.
So green.
You've got tents, people setting up tents. So we're gonna go for a little walk, meet your family,
Yep.
and go hang out. So I'm really looking forward to this.
Alright,
let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
So we have to go to the other side.
Yes, not here. So that side is more activity.
So we're going somewhere else. All right. Adventure continues. Let's go. Let's see where else we're gonna go. Let's find out. So now we're coming from another side, which is also Marsha.
But there's a
and the
train
Bear.
there.
Where we're on the wrong side, so let's have a look. What's here? This looks more like it, I think.
House farm.
Follow the signs.
Open to public. Oh gosh! I'm not a four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel driving.
But that's okay. Oh, that's monitor lizard.
Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Now we're in the right place. Yeah. This is awesome.
Oh, that's the one.
There's like water activities. People setting up tents.
Hello.
This is our people. Our people.
Share your video.
Apa namanya? Waktu bila sampai lagi kan?
I'm so bad.
Betul lah. Apa nak parking mana? Sini ke? Parking sana tak boleh?
Of course.
Betul lah. Sekejap abang parking dulu.
Bye bye.
I think we just park here.
So nice. So nice. Love this place. So good. Hello.
Hi, how are you? See you again.
Dia buat apa ni?
Nak buat meja.
Meja?
Meja apa nak buat bibi kau.
Oh.
Malas nak duduk-duduk.
Iyalah.
Fix. Where we going?
Going up. We going up. Tiber.
Oh. Tak
We're
kena
going
bayar
up.
Oh, tak ada.
Nanti dulu nanti Cak kira.
Oh, okay.
Next destination.
Tak malas nak kan budak-budak tadi.
Tadi kita pergi dekat campsite dia ada satu. Apa yang saya?
Dia ada dua.
Oh, dia yang sini lah korang punya.
Okay. Turn to the left.
Turn to the left. GPS. In 100 meters, turn left.
Oh, dia orang semua parking kita atas lah tu. Manual lah.
Third destination. More campsites here, more people camping. So they've got showers, toilets there.
Sampai dah. Ingatkan tak sampai lagi.
Oh, there's some of them on the top there. So, the kids all here. I think we're going to do the adventure later on.
Nice.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
change everything.
So we're somewhere over there. We're just heading down there. See the fam.
Ada!
Hey!
Tengah apa?
What's up? Hey, how are you? You good? Hello! Hi!
Tak sampai lagi. Tak tahu dia orang singgah mana.
Saudara kau yang kecil ni aku risau.
Itu dah pasal.
Oh, baca balik macam aku cakap dengan minyak. Ada yang kau baca balik.
It's so nice here. Like everything's big, green, got the water here. So relaxing.
So we are going to Waterfall.
Oh, hiking.
Yeah.
Get ready for walking and then for food.
Yeah. But obviously we have to change
We've
first.
got to work for our food.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go fishing.
Yeah,
Catch some
fishing
fish.
used to be uncle
Catch some
on that
fish.
side, not
Catch
here.
some fish.
Yeah. Roman love fish so much.
Ah, fish is my favorite.
Yeah. Oh.
Man, this is my kind of nature. I love river. I love
careful.
fresh water.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. There's just like little spots everywhere with people camping here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you can set up anywhere you want.
Yeah.
It's really awesome. Like
It's
there's people
everywhere.
setting up there.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Oh, look at that.
Actually, kalau kau pakai 4-wheel drive tadi, kau boleh naik sampai atas.
Oh.
Tapi kalau macam ni, kena lalu kat situ lah.
Yeah.
But you have to be careful if you go there.
We're just saying that I think to go up the waterfall, you have
Take
to.
out everything. Just jump in.
Yeah, I know. I'm the same. You need to go for a swim. Go for a swim.
Kunci kereta Charles bawa kali ni lah.
Look at this. So you just have people cooking over there. Oh, okay. You guys are cute. You got people cooking there. And you got the water right there. Kids playing. I'm definitely going to go for a climb. Because you can climb up there. But I'm obviously not wearing shorts yet. So I'm going to put some shorts on. And we're going to go for a climb. Oh wow.
Roman, you turn into the YouTubers.
Ah! Waving to everyone. Yeah.
Kejap, nanti.
Hello.
Hello, my
Hey.
name is Hafiz. I local guide.
Ah.
Marsha The Bear. And then this is Honor Campsite.
Ah, how are you, brother?
Hi, how are you?
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
This place is beautiful. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
I want to show you something. Come.
Hi.
So lovely to meet you.
Careful.
Nah, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay. We got here. This is our cafe for this campground.
Oh, this is your own
so
cafe here.
we serve for breakfast. We got nasi lemak. This is our local nasi lemak over there. We got nasi lemak, but it's finished already.
Yes.
But this is for lunch. We got lunch. This is because it's tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. This is not local fish. But we got sanctuary for this tilapia here. This is fresh tilapia from our lake.
Oh, so this is from the lake,
this is from
straight to the
lake,
grill.
Straight to the grill, and you will have this with our. We call it ayasam.
Ayasam, yes,
Okay,
yes. It's the
Sour
the
water.
chili, the chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, the chili
Wow,
sauce,
looks
ayasam.
amazing. Look at
So
that.
good. And then you will have with the rice lah, white rice and
White
some salad.
Ah, white rice and salad. Ah, looks amazing.
Looks amazing. Where do you come from?
Melbourne, Australia.
Wow.
Yes.
My dream.
Oh,
be in Australia someday.
really?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, so you've been here for how many long?
7 weeks.
7 weeks.
7 weeks,
I
yes,
see.
yes, 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 yes,
You
yes.
stay in
Bangsa South.
Bangsa. So you come from? You come with?
I come with Amir, so
Oh,
he's
I
invited
see.
me. I come with
Okay,
his
come.
family.
I show you
and stuff.
the surrounding. Waterfall over there.
Yeah.
Around 150 meters from here. Your friends and family.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Only for 5 ringgit you can have this.
Oh, so for 5 ringgit.
Yeah.
all this. Really? Really?
I think about 1 point something Australian dollar.
Yeah, it's like $2, not even that. Yeah.
So if you guys want to do hiking, you can camp here and go to Gunung Datuk. We got Gunung Datuk, we got Gunung apa sini lagi fish?
Angsi.
Gunung Angsi.
Oh, the Gunung Angsi is here.
Yeah,
Meaning it's like Mountain Angsi.
Surrounded.
Yeah, I mean this is very popular for those who are hiking in Malaysia. Yeah,
You can
actually
park
those
here
who
and
are.
go to hiking. If we got guide here, if you want to go to hiking, you can call our guide and they will show the surrounding.
So
Yeah.
that's a tour guide.
There's
that can
our tour guide.
show you around.
Yeah, we go to the hiking to the apa tu waterfall. Actually, we got the paragliding. Over there.
Oh.
If you go to the paragliding park, you can see surround sampai Senawang. The hospitals, you
Oh.
can see the hospitals Seremban as well.
I see. Also meaning that we are at the top, we can see everything. Seremban, Senawang and all that.
You
Yeah.
can see all the
Yeah.
surroundings.
Okay, alright.
See you
Okay.
guys, have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at this, just cruising around. Hey.
merah ni kot.
So Amir helping with the barbecue here. Oh, look at this. Coconuts for making fire. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Wow.
Ya, tunjukkan kelakianmu.
So got the coals there.
Ramai helping out. I can't believe it.
Lagi.
More.
Yeah.
Lagi. Meaning say more. Ah.
To shake the fire.
Okay.
Hey, let's crank this bad boy up. Man playing with fire.
Yeah.
Favorite thing to do. Oh, chicken on fire, come on. Hear that sizzle, baby. So I got the oil here with the special ingredients.
Tiba bila Roman masak jadi sedap.
She said that when you cook, it turns so good.
I'm a little bit worried cooking for everyone. Everyone go, who cooked this rubbish? Oh, I don't know. Nah, more burn the chicken.
Mama nak duduk bawah.
Alright, so I'm having my crispy chicken.
Yes, oh,
I'm taking the burnt one so no one sees it. That's right.
dah dapat ikan?
Mmm,
Ha? Tak.
fire. A little bit charcoal, but the flavor's good.
But the taste is good, right?
The taste is good.
Ya.
It's on fire, smoky. And in, like, look where we are. Absolutely delicious. Mia was just saying this is how they make sambal. So this is like dipping sauce.
Ya.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, you know what's the ingredient?
Yeah, I can see chili,
Yeah,
onion.
onion. Then
You got
I
lime?
Put the
Oh, look at
it's
that. Oh, yum. That looks so good. So good. Our little master chef here.
Instant chef.
Yeah. I've just burnt the chicken.
then we run for
And
our
we're
life.
running our life. So it's someone else's responsibility.
Yeah.
I'm going to be the guy that's known forever as the burnt chicken guy.
No.
Bloody foreigners. I blame you, Amir. I thought Amir knew what he was doing. He was making the fire. I was kind of like, it's too hot. But I'm like, nah, it should be fine. And then,
Yeah, we don't expect that anyway.
so, but it still tastes good. Still tastes a little burnt, but still tasty. So now we're escaping and going for a little swim. It's 2 o'clock. It's nice and warm. So go for a swim, check out the waterfall. So yeah, it's lunchtime. Lunchtime.
Hello, bro.
Hey, look at this. Makan.
Makan.
Ah, we have fish.
Tempoyak ada, tempoyak.
Look at this. We have it all.
Tempoyak.
We have it all.
Dia nak mandi dulu.
Mau mandi? Jom. Mandi.
So Abang Syam going to bring us swimming and all that?
Ah, yes. All right, we're going for a swim. Let's do it. Let's go. I'm so looking forward to this.
Okey, jom.
Hey,
Jump.
swim time. Let's go.
Mari.
Hey.
Mari.
Watch me fall in. Whoa! Told ya. Oh. No, it's alright. Oh. I told you. I thought it was full shower.
Oh, it's so cool.
So good. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Pakai ni, pakai slipper.
Alright. It's getting pretty deep here from where I am.
Oh gosh.
Quick where we are walking. It's bloody awesome. This is where we are. Coming up to the little bridge.
We had enough with the water. It's not going to
we're
work
gonna
for our
walk-
slippers.
It sucks with the slippers. I don't know why they
It
told
is,
us to
it
wear
is.
slippers.
Yeah.
It's just sand and rocks. It actually would have been quite nice to do barefoot. But we'll go for a walk to the waterfall. Look at these. Alright, we're going up. We're going up to this bloody thing. Let's do it. Oh my god. Get our daily exercise in just to get a good shot. Oh my god. Slipper's not the best option. Oh. Hey. Let's go. Look at this. Woo. I'm going in. I'm okay. Oh my god. It's so strong. It's so strong. Alright, we made it out of that alive. Just. But it's nice. Look at this. These people got their tent there, right by the water, cooking. I really like this style of kids Robert here. Look at it. Family, kids. The whole gang's here now. Hey, hello. Hey, how are you? Famous YouTube. Yeah, you're a very good singer. At the wedding, you're very good.
No lah, just for fun. Suka-suka.
Is suka mean fun?
Suka-suka means like fun.
Yes.
Macam like, just like.
Ah,
Like
suka
it,
suka.
suka.
I like it. Suka
Yeah,
suka.
yes.
Suka suka.
Suka.
Ah, I like it.
Kemah ada satu lagi kalau nak.
Yelah, dia tak memang
Oi.
kat sini.
Kami
Dance?
ni.
Yeah,
Dance with me?
yeah. Let's dance. Definitely dance. If there's music, we dance.
No, I'm not asking you to dance. No.
What are you asking then? What are you asking?
Dance, swimming?
Oh, done swimming. Alright, so look at this. Got fish. Got a bit of chicken, rice.
Yeah, we're going to
Gonna
have green
dig in.
beans later on.
And we've got some stinky beans. Stinky, for the first time I've heard so many about these little stinky beans. So I'm going to give them a go, see what they're like. So what do? You peel it and
Yeah.
is it just you eat the inside?
Yeah, anyway, it's good for your digestion.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Boom.
let me peel for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm back down, so we just had something to eat. It was really good. Food was really nice. Relaxed for a little bit. Now we're going to head back down, get the car, bring all the snacks for the kids, and then we're going to go back hang out there.
There's still one.
Still one. Nice little spot you have there. Look at it, good little setup.
Yeah, you see. Yeah, go ahead.
You got the rod hold here. Nice and easy. Look at this view. Not a bad spot to fish. So this is the second gang here.
Yeah.
Alright, got the life safety first, life jacket on. And we're about to get into this thing. You're gonna do all the work
What to do?
while I film.
Yep.
Alright, let's get in this thing. Alright. Alright, let's do this.
Okay.
You.
Okay, terima kasih.
Alright, terima kasih. You. Come on, Amir, paddle. Alright. I think Amir's got it. Look
Yeah,
at
I
him.
got the rhythm.
Got the rhythm.
I got
He's
the
moving.
rhythm.
Look at this.
Yeah.
He's taking
It's
me.
moving faster.
He's taking me for a cruise.
Faster.
Come on! Faster! Go! Like, go! Horse racing. Oh, look at Amir go, working it. Getting the workout. Alright.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not the Italian.
It's you need to sing too. So nice. So nice.
Right.
More cooking.
Yeah.
More cooking.
This is for the kids.
Oh, for the kids. Ah.
Nugget tempe.
Nugget tempe. It's actually a soy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I mean, this is very famous for, our family.
Yeah.
We love
Tempe
that so
for
much.
Java.
Tempeh for Java.
Yeah.
But
And
now Malay also can eat.
Yeah.
they can also eat.
The original is Java.
Oh, really?
Orang Jawa aje.
Very nice cup. Technologia. This one?
This one
Hey, chips. I'll try this first.
Right.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's like nutty. It's interesting. It's like potato, but a little bit different. It's very good.
Yeah. It's good for your skin.
Oh,
I mean,
really?
okay.
So a lot of people are starting to leave or have left. We're just out swimming. A lot of people packed up and they're staying at the homestay. And there's, a few of us left here. So we just got that little tent there set up right by the river, which is going to be super nice. We got the water at night. I can't wait. I can't wait to sleep with that as the sound for sleeping. It'll be really, really nice. It's been such a nice day. Plenty of food, went for a kayak, plenty of swimming and relaxing, just soaking up just this. Saw a lot of monkeys. The monkeys were going crazy. I couldn't film them because they're so up high, but monkeys were really cool. So just enjoying the day. spending it with family and just hanging out. So it's been super chill and just what I needed. Like after the last couple of weeks, it's been so busy and so much has been going on. So it's been nice to just be able to relax and soak up some nature. I haven't been out in so long. It's always been stuck in the city. So this has been really good. So many people camping here. There's people everywhere. There's people over there. There's a big group here. There's a group there. So there's so many people camping here. It's really nice. So cool. So I think we're heading down to see, I think they're trying to catch some prawns, some night fishing. So we're gonna go have a look and check it out. Because the guy that owns the place, we were walking up to go for a little walk and he's like, come down, have a look. So we're like, all right, let's go. So we're gonna go down by this river, down there they are. Oops. And see if we can catch some prawns. Let's see if we can see any prawns.
The shrimp.
Oh, look at that! Hey! Little prawnsies, let's go. Nice work. Look at that.
Huh?
That's so cool. Nighttime adventures. Oh, I got another. Oh, fish? Is that fish?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a fish. Nighttime adventures. Look at it. Knee deep in water at night. It's freaking awesome. Hey, what's up? Jump, jump.
Ini dah terlebih udang.
Bah, dia cari kat
snack.
celah-celah batu, Abah. Celah-celah batu dengan
Another one. We are on fire.
bukan.
Look at that. Adventure, adventure.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Canoe?
Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, there. There's one there. Oh, there's two here.
Ambil yang ni.
Hey. Let's go. It's a big one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Good job.
Oh, guys.
Look at that.
Huge.
That's massive.
Yeah.
We're eating like kings tonight.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, little
This is the
fish.
fish farm.
Go, uncle. Get him. Hey. Professional. We're changing locations. GPS lost.
Aduh. Tapi betul-betul masak tu. Well, kau satu lah nak gue. Dia bah. Ya. Mana kata-kata? Wah, situ tak boleh bah.
Finish?
Finish.
Hey! Really, there's Black Panther here?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, you lucky you can see lah Black Panther and
Wow.
Sun bear.
Sun bear.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all that. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, very nice. Look at all that.
Oh gosh.
Oh, look at them all. So awesome. Just walking around, barefoot, getting amongst the nature. It's so, I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Like, what an experience. Thank you, Amir. Like, come on, man. Like, where would I have been able to go and experience nighttime prawn catching in the jungles?
I mean, I can see that this trip is kind of like, you know, most of it is unexpected experience. Yeah.
But that's why it's the best way of doing it.
Yeah.
Just not having expectations, not really knowing what you're doing,
Yep.
and then just going with the flow and
Yeah.
enjoying whatever happens. And
Yep.
that's
It's
what I
very
love
cool.
about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. So thank you so much for
No
this
worries.
experience. Because yeah, I would have never been able to do this without you bringing me out here and spending time with your family and doing all this stuff. It's so memorable and it's so unique and different. Got Manga making us breakfast. Some chili and eggs, I think. Yeah, we've got coffee there. Got some eggs. Little shallots. Oh yeah, look at that. It's the good life. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got Malay style sardines.
Dek, kau rasa dek.
Ayalah kita tu.
And we more makan.
Makan.
Look
lunch before
at
heading
this
back to
lunch.
KL.
Yeah, nearly done. Oh my God, I'm ready for.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, so do I.
Yeah,
I can just stand.
but it's been nice. Eating with the view. It's all slowly coming to an end. Packing up the final things. The final.
Come, ambil gambar.
Oh,
Ina. Nenek. Nenek, ambil gambar.
I just want to say thank you.
Okay.
Mama.
Abba, Mama. So I'm learning. Abba, Mama.
Great.
And Amir, thank you guys so much for everything. I really appreciate you having me here. I had such a good time. So thank you.
Yeah. You're most welcome.
Oh, you guys are too
Okay.
kind. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, and we are done. We are done at the Marsha and the Bear.
Pedas Negeri Sembilan.
So it's been an amazing experience. This place is really, really awesome. Like, they have so many things to do. You can go fishing, you can go prawn hunting, you can go hiking, they've got canoeing, they've got stuff for the kids. So there's so much to do. They've got lots of tents, lots of spaces, you can go anywhere. And it's very cost effective. Like, it's very cheap to come here and get a place. So it's been an amazing experience. So I've had an amazing day or night.
Yeah.
And it's been, again, thank you so much for inviting me here, Amir.
All right. Thank you for coming.
Because it's been, I wouldn't have got to experience everything that we got to experience, like to hang out with your family again.
Yeah.
Again, everyone's so welcoming, so friendly.
Thank you so much.
So much food.
Yeah.
We got to eat, we got to experience crab hunting, we went for swimming. Thank you again for having me here.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Thank you so much.
And if you enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Bye.